Hi kids, welcome again to Teacher Jimson's e-learning class. This is now the second term of the school year. Okay, so this topic is intended for the grade 3 and grade 4 students. How are you today? I hope you're doing good and healthy. Once again, this is your teacher. I am Teacher Jim, your English teacher. Last time we talked about food or the food we eat. Now, still on food, specifically focusing on desserts and snacks. Desserts and snacks. Wow, look at the screen. That's sticky rice with mangoes. Okay, now let's start. Desserts and snacks vocabulary. Okay, let's read the vocabulary words. Repeat after me. Let's start. Jelly, jelly. Crisps, crisps. Donut, donut. Waffle, waffle. Wafer sticks, wafer sticks. Cookies, cookies. Cake, cake. Crepe, crepe. Muffin, muffin. Brownies, brownies. Sticky rice and mango, sticky rice and mango. Coconut ice cream, coconut ice cream. So actually these are popular desserts and snacks in Thailand. Okay, do you like these desserts and snacks? I love Thai desserts and snacks. Okay, let's continue. Let's practice speaking using the structures given. First question we have, what dessert is it? Look at the picture on the right. What dessert is it? It's mango and sticky rice, or sticky rice and mango. All right. Number 2, the second question. What do you usually have for snacks? What do you usually have for snacks? The answer, I usually have blank for snacks. I usually have, example picture, cookies for snacks. Okay. Next. So let's use this structure to practice speaking. Okay. First picture. What dessert is it? Again, what dessert is it? We have donuts. These are donuts. Okay, what do you usually have for dessert or for snacks? I usually have donuts. Okay, next we have this one. Can you say it? Crepe. Crepe. Let's spell that together. C-R-E-P-E. Crepe. Okay, we have crisp here. Crisp. Crisp. How do you say crisp in Thai? Khanom krop. Okay, we have C-R-I-S-P. Crisp. Okay, and we have the fourth picture here. Jelly. We have jelly. That's J-E-L-L-Y. Jelly. Do you like jellies? Okay, next. What dessert is it? It's waffle. It's waffle. What desserts are these? You can say are these. Wafer sticks. These are wafer sticks. Okay, the very popular one, stick O, right? Okay, next we have cake. Cake. Okay, one more time. Waffle. Wafer sticks. Cake. All right, next. What do you usually have for snacks? I usually have muffins for snacks. Or I usually have brownies for snacks. And do you like this? I usually have coconut ice cream. That's coconut ice cream. Okay, next. Let's practice speaking. More practice. Number 1, what do you usually have for snacks? Let's read the answer. I usually have crisps for snacks. Say that. I usually have crisp for snacks. Okay. Number 2, what did Tim have dessert yesterday? What did Tim have for dessert yesterday? Tim had cookies yesterday. So Maman yesterday. Tim had cookies yesterday. How about the third question? What will Kim have for dessert tomorrow? พรุ่งนี้ what will Kim have for dessert tomorrow? Kim will have sticky rice and mango. Kim will have sticky rice and mango. All right. Okay, let's practice reading. Okay, listen and repeat after me. Do you like Thai desserts? I like sticky rice and mango a lot. When I go to the restaurant, I usually order it for my dessert. I also love coconut ice cream, especially when the weather is hot. While watching television, I have crisps for snacks. How about you? What do you usually have for desserts and snacks? One more time. Do you like Thai desserts? I like sticky rice and mango a lot. When I go to the restaurant, I usually order it for my dessert. I also love coconut ice cream, especially when the weather is hot. While watching television, I have crisps for snacks. How about you? What do you usually have for desserts and snacks? Okay, so that is the reading passage. Practice reading, okay, using this slide. Okay. All right, so this ends our topic about desserts and snacks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again on the next video. Bye bye. สวัสดีครับ